Today we are going to start basic Python basic series. Once the Python basic series is finished, then we'll start the advanced series. Once the advanced series is finished, then we'll start machine learning, deep learning, different topic of artificial intelligence, NLP, all the stuffs So, and within the Python basic series, we'll cover quite a lot of stuffs, which including the fundamental stuff, uh, different data types, Python, control structures, the most important, the programming best practices and tips. I'll share my tips and everything. And one of the very important, which is how to solve complex problem within practical example with a project. I believe in practical examples. So if we implement a project, then we can put all the stuff together, and we can see something is working, and which will be more enjoyable. And I believe, once the fundamental is we cover, and if we implement a project, then we can feel sense, then we did something. um and then we'll cover the control flow of the programs, the step by step how to implement the loops, all those kind of loops, and if else statements, and all these boolean functions, operations, and return statement within the programs. And obviously we will cover the how to write different type of functions and how to reuse those functions within the program, um, how to create a package within the programs, once the big project, there's so many package, so we learn all this stuff, and obviously how to install the different package from the standard library and from the third party as well, from external libraries as well, and how to write and read the files and stuff, and then finally we'll implement the project, so Bondura, sometimes I'll talk with a different language as well, which is most the Bengali. And so if I talk with a different language, my apology. And hope you will enjoy the series, and Asha Kori, I hope you will subscribe to my channels, and you guys will give me tips and encourage me and give me feedback, how to improve. And obviously I don't know everything, so if you guys give me feedbacks, and if you correct me somewhere, if I made a mistake, I appreciate this, which will encourage me to create more contents and more videos, so আশা করি আপনারা যে যেখানে আছেন সবাই ভালো আছেন, and আমি আবার বলতেছি welcome to my channels. And yes, so it will be long journey, so I hope you will stick with this together, and we'll learn, and I'll share my knowledge, whatever I have learned my school, college, and university, and in my work experience, so okay, let's stop. Let's jump to the programs, and we'll go step by step. Hopefully you will all stick together. Thank you so much. See you next video. Bye bye.